G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now today we've come along to Moorabbin in Victoria, and how cool is this place? The Australian National Aviation Museum. Can you guess what we're going to see here today? Lots and lots of aircraft, that's right. We're going to see big aircraft, small aircraft, and some really, really old aircraft too. But the best part is, we're going to get a chance to sit in the cockpit and pretend we're flying it just like a real pilot. Now kids, I'm super excited, I hope you are too. So let's get inside and check it all out.